What's in store for exchanges? With the frauds committed by FTX coming to light and the founder pleading guilty in the secret trial that was recently uncovered, are these actions, are they generating the loss of trust in the crypto world? Many people claim that crypto is just a scam and you're pretty much going to lose your money investing in them. And with what happened to FTX just over a month ago, it really seems that this theory is gaining more and more traction. Yo, all crypto fans, welcome back once again to your favorite digital investment channel. This is where you'll find the most interesting facts about the financial markets and the most shocking news. If Bitcoin were a boxer, it would be one that refused to give up, despite the right hand it just took. In recent weeks, cryptocurrency has taken a huge beating with the collapse of industry giant FTX and the arrest of its founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, which happened in the Caribbean. See, Bitcoin is used to taking hits, but this anti-system fighter was already on the ropes after its most painful years so far. Continuing with the simile, if cryptocurrencies were a boxer, it would be lying on its back on the canvas watching the stars. It's lying down, but is it finished? Before we begin, I invite you to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Now, without further ado, let's get to it. Bitcoin has a history that fits the Rocky style plot. When it started in the lawless world of the internet forums in 2009, it was just a featherweight prospect. There was a spark, but only within the noisy niche of fans who were true believers and got next to nothing out of it. Really just a few pennies at first. Over the years, however, its promoters grew, helping to develop Bitcoin and fighting the system. The value of the crypto rose to thousands of dollars and it began to be recognized and welcomed in certain places. It began to be accepted on specialized websites or in trendy coffee shops. Slowly, and against all odds, Bitcoin became sought after like a prize boxer. Thousands of imitators such as Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Litecoin also emerged. Before, in 2021, Bitcoin achieved extraordinary fame and value. People invested in it and all other cryptocurrencies. One Bitcoin cost almost $70,000. The mainstream system also began to open up to the possibilities of investing in it in other crypto projects. But then, in November of 21, Bitcoin began to suffer losses and has continued to get worse ever since, with continued hits and scandals that have left it at its lowest point in terms of value, confidence, and excitement. President of the Caribbean Blockchain Alliance, Stefan Delavox, stated, "This is a terrible time for the cryptocurrency space, and we may see even worse days after the recent FTX scandal. It's a watershed moment for cryptocurrencies." The collapse of FTX last month has been the biggest setback for cryptocurrencies in years. It was the world's second largest exchanger, the entry point for millions of people to enter the world of cryptocurrency. It was seen as one of the most trusted platforms, but collapsed just days after it was revealed that its finances were shaky. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried is now in custody, accused by the US, stating that he was building a house of cards on the foundation of deceit, while telling investors it was one of the safest buildings in crypto. Bankman-Fried told BBC that he hopes he had not killed cryptocurrency. FTX certainly dealt a blow, but 2022 has repeatedly pummeled cryptocurrencies. Professor Carol Alexander of the University of Sussex Business School stated, "We've never seen anything like this in the cryptocurrency before." She predicted last year that cryptocurrencies would be collapsed in 2022, but admitted she was surprised by the sequence of events. The first major blow came in May with the sudden collapse of two popular digital currencies that wiped $400 billion after the value of Bitcoin and the crypto ecosystem. Du Huan, the founder of Terra Coins, is now wanted by South Korean authorities who accuse him of hiding in Siberia. Numerous other scandals have shaken confidence in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, such as Kim K, being fined $1.26 million for promoting a troubled coin. There has also been the collapse of the previously booming non-fungible token market, with NFTs once making millions and now struggling to sell. Massive hacks at crypto companies have also affected confidence, with hackers stealing $600 million from the Ronin network. With the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies plummeting, large crypto firms such as Celsius, Three Arrows Capital, and BlockFi have filed for bankruptcy, leaving small and large investors out of pocket, in turn causing police to investigate what happened. The price of a Bitcoin, often seen as a barometer of how the entire ecosystem is faring, now hovers around $17,000, a 70% drop from its peak in November of 2021. The fall of FTX and others leave big void in the industry and a lot of nervousness about the other players. Tuesday, December 13th, more than $1.4 billion was withdrawn from Binance, apparently as a result of negative headlines about the cryptocurrencies. The company's CEO, Zhao, urged calm on Twitter and said it was business as usual. But Andy Renshaw, Senior Vice President of Product Management at Fidza, asserted that the cryptocurrencies required a strong, diverse group of exchanges to survive this ongoing struggle. Renshaw also stated, without a credible, trusted place to exchange safely, cryptocurrencies are unlikely to return to a fighting status, regardless of the title. Digital currencies are, of course, just one part of the crypto ecosystem, but most forecasts about their value rising in the near term are pessimistic. Columbia Business School professor Ahmed Malikan acknowledged that things look bleak for cryptocurrencies as a speculative asset. He stated, prices have dropped and many of the largest investment-related service providers have blown up. After recalling that cryptocurrencies are still first and foremost a technology, the experts asserted that if you look at that aspect alone, the balance is still positive. He stated, they're doing well, in some respects better than ever. Malikan recalled that the adoption of Bitcoin and so-called stable currencies in developing countries without a reliable financial infrastructure shows that the technology is improving live. Delavax also denied that the violent booms and busts in cryptocurrencies belly the overall progress of these instruments. And he pointed out how charities are using cryptocurrencies to bring funds to places where normal money cannot reach due to conflict or repression. He also explained that the latest scandals are an opportunity to purge fraudsters from cryptocurrencies. Professor Alexander stated, crypto is basically a very short word for the future of the global digital economy, citing this from the use of crypto technology in building the metaverse environments that some think will be the future of work and life. Bitcoin has crashed and recovered before. Some believers see hubris in the market being removed, which will eventually put the industry on the road to maturity. FTX's trouble may actually benefit established firms with a track record of risk management, such as the NASDAQ stock market and CBOE global markets. However, for Mark Dowding, Chief Investment Officer at Blue Bay Asset Management, the case for Bitcoin becoming a version of digital gold is false. He stated it's only a matter of time until even more investors drop out and cryptocurrency prices fall again. So let me ask you this. Do you think this FTX crash will eventually destroy confidence in cryptocurrencies? Will it be the end of exchanges as we know it? Let me know in the comments along with any more feedback that you may have. If you like this video, leave your like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.